up the shit inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your right.
Alrighty. It took some time finding a place, but we did manage to find something. I'm gonna spend the weekend with a friend of mine. He's changing in the back. There's a lot of places around here that are absolutely beautiful, that are next to the water as well. But every place has a sign that says no night recreation, I think it's called, which basically means that you're not allowed to stay there or do any activity during the night. But yeah, we didn't want to risk it. On Park for Night it also said that there's been fines written in the past of 200 euros, say £150. I'm just not willing to risk it. So we have this place. We're gonna go down the water. It's a small walk, so it's not really that big of a deal. And if you look over there, down there, there's a small inway, completely covered in trees. So we're just gonna have fun at the water. We're gonna have a couple of beers and then just drive the car down there. It's maybe 100 meters, and yeah, that'll be the resting place for the night. So yeah, I'm happy. It took a while, but we're here. So I will see you at the waterfront. Ciao, ciao. Nearly there. It is such lovely weather, honestly, it's so good. What did surprise me though was we actually drove past a spot that said care for forest fires. You're like, what, forest fires in Holland? And then we actually saw a spot that was completely burned. Maybe we can still see it on the way back, but yeah, that's crazy. That means it's warm. But lovely. Very, very lovely. Niet drinken, hè? There's a lot of jellyfish, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bloody everywhere, mate!
Hier, fucking ziek koraal achter. Oeh, maar er zit hier ook groter hoor.
Okay, well, sadly I don't have footage of it, but you won't believe me when I say I caught 3 crabs barehanded, yay big, and 1 jellyfish. He caught one.
And let it loose, let it go.
And let it go. Right. Time for lunch and evening beverages. Ciao ciao.
Nu moeten we dit breukje zien hoor. Heerlijk.
I'm not quite sure what happened tonight. I think we have some footage on my phone. But yeah, we ended up on some, I don't know, some youth camping or something. There's just people from 16 just drinking everywhere. And we were right in the middle of it. But yeah. Now it's time to clean up the aftermath and have some food. Well, I definitely know that I'm not 16 anymore. Oy, oy, oy. Okay, ciao.
lekker.
Okay, just dropped off my friend. Time for me to go home. It's been quite the weekend and I am very tired, so I'm gonna keep this short. There wasn't a lot of talking in this video, mainly because I just wanted to show like what you can do in a weekend in Holland. And yeah, that's basically it. Not a lot of talking. Showed some food, showed some places. Stayed on the camping. Wasn't actually stealth camping this time. So yeah, I'm happy. Lovely weekend. Had fun. Had some drinks and a few more. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Ciao.